Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to learn few action words. Do you mean what does the word action word actually mean? It refers to various actions, means whatever we do, like sleep or eat or run or play. And here's a surprise. Let's see who all are waiting for us to show various actions. Look at this teddy. What is it doing? See, eyes closed. So, which action word it can be? It is sleep. Children, tell me, what kind of action did Kermit show you? Wasn't it dance? Seems this Christmas crocodile is really hungry. So, what is there in its mouth? Can you see? He is having a biscuit. And let's see what's the condition of the biscuit. The Christmas crocodile has given a bite. So, which action word it was? Bite. What can you see here? You can see a monkey is hugging a doggy, isn't it? So, which action word is this? Hug. Monkey is hugging. So, which action word? Repeat after me. Hug. Look at the Buzz and Woody. What are they doing? What can you see with them? You can see small toys, right? So, what are they doing? Which action word are they showing? Don't you think it is play? Because they are playing with toys. So, Buzz and Woody, they are playing. The action word for this is play. Keep a watch to know our next action word. So, which action word did Woody show? Woody was laughing. Ha ha ho. Ha ha ho. So, which action word it was? Laugh. I hope you all have enjoyed when various toys have shown you different actions, isn't it? Now, keep a watch on the screen. I will read the action words for you. And what you need to do? You need to circle the correct action. Ready for it? Let's keep a watch on the screen. What can you see on the screen? You can see a boy is doing something. So, which action word can come here? The first one is dance, the second one is eat, and the third one is sleep. So, what do you think? What is the boy doing? What you can do, you can place your hand on the screen and you can circle around that word. So, what is the right answer? I know you all have guessed it right. Let's see what's the right answer. It's dance. Let us move on to the next slide. Now, what is the bunny doing? Here the three words are laugh, eat and sing. So, which one is the right answer? You can again place your hand on the screen and circle around that word. So, what's the right answer? Let's see. What is circled here? Eat. So, the action word is eat. Let us move on to the next slide. What are the children doing here? They are singing or they are biting something or they are playing. What are they doing? What do you think? Look at them and tell me. Give your answer. This is sing, this is bite and this is play. What are they doing? They are, what do you think? Which one? Place your finger on the screen and circle that. And I know you have circled the right one. Let's see what's the right answer. Play. Very good. So, the action word is play. You can see a baby. Now, what is the baby doing? Which action word is shown by this slide? The three words which are here: laugh, sleep and hug. So, which one is the right option? You have got it? Okay, let's see what's the right answer. Even I also don't know. Let's see which answer is waiting for us. Sleep. So, which action word this picture reflects? Sleep. What can you see in this slide? What is a mama and her daughter doing? There are three words. Now, you guess which action word does this image depict? It's hug, or it's eat, or it's dance. What it can be? Any guess? Let's see. It's hug. So, the action word is hug. Let us move on to the next one. Let's see this. What are you listening? Okay, now there are three action words in this slide. The options are play, eat and sing. And tell me, what is the girl doing? You have heard it. So, what will be the answer? I know, you have guessed it rightly. You have put your finger around that word and you have circled that on the screen. Now, let's see whether your answer matches with the right answer or not. Let's see. Sing. Very good. Well done, children. Let's move on to the next slide. What can you see here? You can see a baby. And what is the baby doing? Which action word can come here? It's sing, it's laugh or play. What do you think? What is the baby doing? Let's see the right answer. Laugh. So, have you all enjoyed selecting the right action word? And you have seen the kind of action also does that word mean? So today in this video, we have learned various action words. Don't you think it was full of fun? I know you must have enjoyed a lot. Start using these words in your daily conversation. Then you will be able to remember these words also, and you will be knowing their meanings in a better way. Okay? So, celebrate learning. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you soon. Bye-bye.